So welcome back to this video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Java, and I got all this from Programming Hub. And if you don't know what that app is, check that out in the App Store or Google Play. And it's a really good app. It teaches multiple different type of languages like C++, Python. I don't know, like there are a lot of languages. Like I've seen more than 10. So it teaches a lot of languages. And I just copied some of them just to keep it in my notes so I don't have to go to the app every time that I want to do that. So I just copied all of them that I learned so far, and I just want to share what I've learned. So what is Java? The Java programming language is a high-level, objective-oriented and general-purpose computer programming language. Java is similar to C++, but simplified to eliminate language features that cause common programming errors. You can use Java to write computer applications that play games, store data, or do any of the thousands of other things computer software can do. It is indeed to let application developers write once, run anymore. I heard write once and run anymore a lot of times, WORA, it says right there, meaning that the compiled Java code can run on all platforms that support Java without the need for compilation. So that is what Java really is, I guess. So if you know C++, it said it's similar to C++. So if you know C++, I think it might be easier for you. Now we're going to be talking about what is Java used for. What is Java used for? According to Sun, 3 billion devices run Java. There are many devices where Java is currently used. Some of them are as follows. Desktop applications such as Acrobat Reader, Media Player, Antivirus, and etc. Web applications such as irctc.coin, javapoint.com, etc. Enterprise applications such as banking applications, mobile, embedded systems, smart card, robotics, games, etc. Seems like you can do robotics, which I'm interested in, games. Like literally, it's everywhere. I used to get confused with the JavaScript and Java. I might make a video of what JavaScript and what's the difference between them, but it's like a little confusing sometimes because they're similar. So Java history. Java was developed by Sun Microsystems in the early to mid 1990s and developed continued to this day, of course. Here are some of the more important milestones in the early history of the language. So in 1990, a team headed by James Gosling is set up to work on a programming language for a consumer electronic device. The goal was to develop a small language that would easily adapt to new chips and be very reliable. The language was originally known as OIC, but that name was already used, so it had to be changed. So that's what happened in 1990. In 1992, the team creates a project called Star and develops a personal handheld remote control. The development team is incorporated as first person Inc, but loses a bit to develop a TV set-top box for Time Warner. It's like basically like a history of what really happened. In 1994, the team notices the popularity of the web, which came along in 1993 and built its first web-enabled web browser, WebRunner. Sun executives are impressed. May 23, 1995, at Sun World in San Francisco, Sun Microsystems Inc. formally announces Java 1.0, and Netscape also announced it will license Java for its browser. 1995, present. The rest of the world notices programming go bananas, and the rest, as they said, is history. So if you're interested in history, like you might want to learn about that, but not really interested in about history. I would want to know who created it, but like I don't want to like go deep on that. But just for you guys, there's given there is given many features of Java. They're also known as Java buzzwords. So you could be reading it in my. If you're interested, just comment below if you want me to do this in the next video, because um this is just like literally more about the history and like I'm just going deep in Java. And this is just things that you need to watch out about it. So I just want to read this. I just want you guys to learn something new today. So I'm just gonna be reading this. So about Java program, it is very important to keep in mind the following points. So case sensitivity. Java is case sensitive, which means definer hello and hello would have different meaning in Java. Class names. For all classes names, the first letter should be in uppercase. If several words are used to perform a name of class, each in our words first letter should be in uppercase. Example, class, my first Java class. So like every word, like if you say my, when you're done, you start with another uppercase. So like like my first Java class, like that. We'll go more deep in that. This is just like what really Java is. And yeah, I think that's it for this video. You learned something new, and I